don't know anything about rug tufting. It's so scary. This is like when I'm clenching my ass. I'm just like stressed.
Relax. Bobby, that's you.
I know that we came here today to make a rug, but I cannot believe we made a rug. Today I am going to be tufting a mini bull terrier because we obviously don't have enough fanfinalia in our house of mini bull terriers.
My name is Eryn Young and I am a rug maker. We're at Tuft House, LA, and Lauren will be making a wool floor rug.
I don't know anything about rug tufting. What I do know is I feel like I was the only one during the pandemic that did not invest in a rug gun and start learning how to rug tuft.
I was doing punch needle, which is the manual version of this, the by hand, slow process of this. And then I saw tufting videos during the pandemic and I just immediately said, I have to have a tufting gun, and I have not stopped since. How long it takes really depends on the design and the size. So you could have a large rug that doesn't have a lot of elements, and it would take you less time than a small rug that has many elements. So it really depends on the level of detail and then the size.
I think that my needle arms are gonna hold me back in terms of being sore and not having the strength to tuft as long as I need to be tufting.
Something like today, on average, we're talking about 4 to 5 hours is usually the process. But you know, I've spent days and days on designs before. First off, the design. So you need to figure out a design that will translate into a rug.
Moose, projected. So sorry, Diggy.
Project that design onto a primary cloth, which we have stretched over a frame. Stand in front so you can see if you missed anything.
It's so scary. It's so scary.
He's like, sinister. He's like, hello. It's good. So we're good with that. Okay. And then you tuft the image, you glue the back, and then you put a backing cloth on the back, depending on if it's a floor rug or a wall rug. And then you trim the entire piece and you have a finished piece. Today we are going to use the cut pile tufting gun.
Oh my God.
Woohoo!
It kind of looks like the laser tag gun.
Yeah. So we need to thread the gun. We're going to feed the yarn together through the back of this guide. We're going to put the threader from bottom to top. I've opened it with my nails a little bit. It's good you have nails. They come in handy when you tuft.
Business expense.
So we're going to feed it into that.
Okay.
And then we're just going to take the threader and pull it down. And we are completely threaded.
That's it.
That's it. We are working on the back right now. The front is on the other side. So when we do an image, we reverse it. If you do any text, you would reverse it.
It's all reversed.
Yeah, this is the back of the piece.
Oh shit, I don't think I didn't, okay. I'm decent with hand-eye coordination, so if I wanna make a straight line, I'm curious to see how straight of an actual straight line I can straight line, because I feel like that's gonna be the make or break of this coming out decent.
Go ahead and pop it all the way in. Make sure you have enough pressure all the way in. Now hit the trigger.
Okay, here we go. I'm so scared, okay.
Yeah. Okay, stop.
Oh,
okay,
wait.
It's all right.
Wait, so what
Come
happened?
It's all right. This is great. This is perfect. Good job.
What
You did
happened
it.
here?
The foot started to
Like bounce.
come off. You were going like this. The foot just started to tip back. That's all.
And that's what happened there.
Yeah, so all the way in. Pressure.
Okay, pressure.
Yep, go.
Okay, here we go.
Beautiful. Stop. Okay.
Oh, wait, no, but something happened.
It's just this yarn. I think we should do a different
It's
yarn.
totally a yarn problem.
Big difference between wool and acrylic. We use New Zealand wool for floor rugs. It has the longevity. It is a thicker, meatier fiber that can withstand just years and years and years of wear and tear. And acrylic is pretty much plastic. So it's light, there's a lot of colors, it's pretty easy to use, and it's very easy to get. That's a perfect line.
Thank you so much.
Perfect.
Spacing would be like here?
Yep. Okay, can you see right here?
It's
when
a
you
little bit
started?
tighter.
So you were just holding it in place a little bit, but you relaxed. So it's totally fine. And honestly, on the other side, doesn't make a difference too much in how it looks, but it does become denser.
Okay. I see how like a glass of wine could make this like
Difficult?
No, better because you're like, okay, relax and go a little slower. I can't just have a glass of wine, you can be like, blah, or like go a little slower. Okay.
Okay, relax. You're putting the brakes on. It wants to go faster than you're allowing it to go.
It's faster than I'm too slow.
There you go. Beautiful. Yep, exactly. This is perfect.
Hell
Perfect. So I'd like
yeah.
you to kind of play wherever, and you're gonna be doing this pumping action that I was talking about, the little bursts. Now start to move it, yep. So you can rotate it as you're going, yeah. So you don't wanna do that. You're not gonna do a full circle. You'll always try to go up.
Uh-oh.
It's all right. Yeah, you got it. Okay, you know?
Your circle versus mine.
It is hard to free form a circle no matter what. It's always getting over that first step of just putting the needle into the cloth and pulling the trigger. And then once that happens and you know, you start to move around, you start to feel more comfortable, and I could just see Lauren go from being very timid to just doing, by the end, these really strong, straight, beautiful lines. So you're good. You're ready to tuft.
Oh my God. Oh shit, okay.
Yeah, you're gonna pulse up on that diagonal. Diagonals, I think, are the hardest.
Oh, perfect. This is the perfect place to start.
It kind of is.
Ah, okay.
It's okay, you're okay.
Okay, pop, pop.
Yep,
Pop.
there you go.
Pop.
Nice. Beautiful, look at that, that's perfect. Look at you go, and it's a nice relaxed stitch. You got a little tight here, but right there it's great.
This is like when I'm clenching my ass. I'm just like stressed.
Beautiful. Let's see. That's fine, right? Because it's your dog and
Not
it doesn't
great,
matter.
but it's fine.
Or you can always
I
like
see,
do
I
another
can
one,
do
but you don't
another
have to.
Okay.
Keeping on the outline, really clean lines is tough, especially so you don't rip the cloth. You gotta really take your time, but it's also a really forgiving art form. Like you'll be on this side and you'll think, oh, this is like looking terrible. You're gonna go around the other side and you're like, oh, this looks amazing.
Oh, it's so cute. It's an ear.
Yeah, it's an ear. You did it.
Oh, I'm tufting, bitch. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Ah.
It's okay, just take your time.
Okay, here we go.
There you go.
Oh God.
Take it out for a second and make sure you're on.
Oh,
okay. You can just literally
take it out.
take a couple of these out.
So sad. Goodbye.
The biggest concern is always ripping the cloth. If we rip the cloth, we start again, but honestly, it's not gonna happen. It is just the ability to understand how to move the gun in the right way so it doesn't rip.
Oh my God.
Look at that! It's like a perfect circle.
I love the enthusiasm.
I mean, I'm really impressed. I didn't expect it to be this good.
Way better than this
That's
side.
great.
You really gotta like work for your results, you know what I mean? Because the back is like so not ruggy looking.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, she's rugging.
She's rugging.
The rug is rugging. Oh, here we go. I feel like I'm setting up for a
You'll
squat.
be able to, up there, go a little faster because it's a straight line.
I feel like don't tell me that though, because
Okay,
then
okay,
I'm gonna be like, wow!
There you go. Let it move.
Do I go for it? I'm gonna
Yeah,
go for it. Wow!
Relax. You're holding it in place. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Lovely.
Yeah, let's go. Ear.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah!
Beautiful.
Oh, my back. Here we go. Whoa, way off. Not even close. Goodbye. 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 Don't need you. Don't need you.
Spacing is important because on the other side it is expanding.
Right.
And so we have to leave a little bit of space in between. Otherwise it becomes too dense and it can create a hole in the piece.
It's just like, oh.
But on the other side, you can't tell.
Not bad.
Yeah, you're coming along.
Out of 10.
Yay.
What do you think?
7.5.
Oh, take it. That's like a B plus in Canada. In the Canadian system, they're generous. Okay, here we go. We're gonna turn the gun on.
Yay!
Woohoo!
You did it.
I did it.
You did it.
I did it.
Good job.
I'm sweating.
That's hard. That's really hard.
Woo.
What I'd like more people to know about rug tufting is just how accessible it can be. So if you have a place in your community that is hosting tufting, you can absolutely go in and in one afternoon or evening create an entire rug, and anyone can do it.
Oh, I've come so far.
You have. The thing that Lauren struggled with the most today was just that initial apprehension around the gun. And that could be really difficult for everyone, but I think once she relaxed, things became not only better for her, but for the piece in general. It just looks nicer overall. So it was just that like acceptance of this is what I'm doing and I'm not afraid of it.
The last line. Oh my God, it's so cute. That's a dog. That's a dog now. That's a dog rug.
We use glue on the back of the rugs because when we weave with the tufting gun, nothing is holding the yarn in except for the weave. I could just pluck each one of those stitches out by hand. Almost there, buddy.
I know, I feel like I'm suffocating him a little bit.
So we are gonna take this primary cloth and we are gonna pull it back. We're gonna do something called kind of a waterfall finish. So this part of the rug will be like flush.
Oh, he's so cute.
Oh, little baby.
Oh my God, he's so cute.
The finishing process, I would say, is usually 3 times longer than the tufting process. So the backing and trimming is really, in my opinion, where the art form is. So now we're just gonna put a bit of adhesive.
Oh, holy shit, this is like Spider-Man in a can.
Yeah.
That's so wild.
Yeah, you wanna use something that has webbing on both sides and then it like binds it. Yeah.
I'm literally shooting webs out of this can.
Yeah, it's crazy.
If I can do anything with glue versus sewing or any other adhesive, I always will. I can't wait till there's just like moose on moose inception. And then if we can add a cuddle clone, we can have a moose diggy cuddle clones of both and a bull terrier rug. It's unhealthy at this point.
This is the last step before trimming. Twill tape is what we use to protect the back of the rug, and we just use it as a barrier in between the edge of the rug and the backing cloth to secure all the fibers in place.
Okay, this is the most exciting part.
We are gonna now trim the top of this. We wanna just smooth it out. When you come to trimming, it's just like not trimming too much with the razor and gouging out a section and then, oh, now I don't have a rug anymore. Or I have a rug with a really big divot in it. Okay, great. So we're gonna go to phase 2. I'm gonna show you a little more in depth. So I'm coming in at an angle.
Yeah.
really carefully, and I'm like starting to carve out and define that ear.
Wow. That makes such a difference.
Right? You can really do a lot of like dimension.
Yeah, that's so cool.
With this. Yeah.
Oh. Wow, this side versus this side right now is such a big difference. The whole point of today was to make a rug, but like I cannot believe we made a rug. Like this is crazy.
I think Lauren's best skill today was just her ability to adapt quickly to every situation. I would test a couple lines with her, she would do a couple things, and then she would just like get it. She adapted quickly to every step of the process. There's like no mistakes on this rug, really. There's like no places that the color crossed over. So, right on.
It looks so good. That might be the most satisfying vacuum I've ever done in my life. Again, I know that we came here today to make a rug, but I cannot believe we made a rug. This is like a real ass rug.
It is, it's awesome. Good job.
Oh my God, this is incredible. I've said this so many times in this video already, but like, I know that we came here to make a rug, but like, oh my God, we made a rug. This is my most prized possession of so many DIYs that I've ever done. I am obsessed with this. I have a new...
Oh my God, I thought this was the top of it. I was really struggling.
Isn't it so good?
It's perfect. Wait, this is so cute.
It's so cute. Yeah. I want this, but 8 feet, right?
I don't know
8 feet?
I don't know if we need 8 feet.
8 feet?
Maybe like
10 feet.
4 feet.
12 feet. 16 feet. I'm just nervous that Bubby's gonna rub his butthole on it.
I mean, he definitely will.
Yeah! Bubby, what do you think?
Great job.
Thank you so much.
It's so cute.
It's so cute. Bubby, that's you. Eryn, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you for coming.
Where can people find you and what kind of class can they come take here?
They can find me on Instagram at Tuft House LA. I'm just starting a YouTube channel to do tutorials on different parts of the process. They can come and take a Tufting 101 class, which is a basic class where you will just tuft a piece like this, and then they can continue on and do a 201 class where they would learn how to do everything, which is the stretching, the drawing, everything you did today.
Oh, wow.
That's the 201 class.
Sign me up for 301, baby. Eryn, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.
And I will have all of her links and where to find her down below. Bye, guys.